English Chapter 8. Welcome to your second grammar lesson for this chapter. Today we will be discussing connectors of purpose. These are words that we use when we put two sentences together. Let's have a look at these connectors of purpose. So, in order to, and so that. Now let's read through what they tell us here. We use connectors such as in order to, so, and so that to show the purpose of an action, to show why something has happened. They are called connectors of purpose. So let's read through a couple of examples here. She waited for an hour in the queue in order to get tickets. So here is the action. She waited in the queue. Why did she wait in the queue? To get tickets. Can you see how these connecting words give a purpose to the action? Let me say that one more time. These connecting words give a purpose to the action. The purpose of waiting in the queue is to get tickets. Let's look at another example. They trained very hard in order to win the competition. The action is they trained, and the purpose is to win the competition. These connectors join the two sentences. They join the action and the purpose, and that is why they are called connectors of purpose. Let's read one more. He brought an umbrella so that he would not get wet. The action, he brought an umbrella. The reason or the purpose was so that he would not get wet. The connectors join the action and the purpose. Just so you can remember, I've drawn it out for you. The sentence structure that have these connecting words. The first sentence is the action, and the second sentence is the reason or the purpose for the action. The connecting word, the connectors of purpose, join these two sentences together. So the homework that you need to complete is below the homework that I sent you yesterday, but I'm going to send it again because I'm not sure if I attached this with your homework yesterday. We use connectors such as in order to, so, and so that to show the purpose of an action. They are called connectors of purpose. In this activity, you need to rewrite the sentences using the connectors provided in the brackets. Okay, the first one has been done for you. Let's have a look at this example. He worked very hard. That's my action. Why did he work very hard? To help his family. Here's my purpose for the action. So now we need to add in order to make it one full sentence. He worked very hard in order to help his family. Here is the rest of the activity that I would like you to finish off for homework. I hope this is very easy for you, and if you have any questions, just remember to ask me. Good luck!